Okay, how y'all doing today? This is Leroy Skye, and I'm looking at the south polar region of Mars. I'm at 84 degrees south by 57 west, and I'm looking at some strange anomalies. Looks like little buildings down there, but I'm not sure because of the picture quality of the satellite isn't all that great, but it is interesting looking. Looks like little buildings down there, and it's in a lot of snow. It's just something I've never seen on Earth. I'm going to zoom up here so you can get a bigger picture. Just a lot of snow drifts and rocky terrain. Could be water, could be nitrogen, could be dry ice. But if it's regular snow, it's got water in it. And just a weird place. Got another one here. This is still in the southern pole region at 80 degrees south, at 1 degrees east. And the elevation of, right now we're at the elevation of 5,000 feet or so. It looks like little roads in the background. Looks like something might have been there at one time and it got covered with dust and snow, because it looks like foundations and platforms. And I saw square buildings or square-shaped rocks, square-shaped formations. It could be ruins, who knows? But it's something to look at, and in the future when we go up there and get a better look, we can find out for sure what it is. But it's in the southern region there. If you want to go look it up yourself. It's at 80 degrees south, 1 degrees east. Now we're going to go over here, and there's the face of Jesus. I showed that on an earlier video. And it's at 14 degrees north, at 13 degrees west. We're at an elevation of 8,000 going down. Now we're at around 9,000 feet. It just looks like the famous pictures of the Christian Savior, Jesus Christ. And but it could be some other guy, you know, or it may not be anybody, it just may be the formation. It looks like that. But it's real interesting to me. And here we go over here to these ruins. They look like ruins to me. Little buildings down there in front of this big blockhead monument. Looks like a face on it. Maybe that's where Gumby and Pokey hang out. That's where the blockheads live. Gumby and Pokey probably go in there and knock all their crap down, and the blockheads get after them. But it's at 22 degrees north, at 178 east. The blockheads. You can just see Gumby riding Pokey over there. Now it could be just some kind of monument, but it looks like everything looks, you know, like an infrastructure. Looks like a life could have been there. at one time. It looks like ruins now. Now this is Leroy Skye. I hope y'all have a good week.